Number 5, the Rottweiler. Originally bred for a variety of physical tasks like controlling aggressive livestock on the way to market and protecting Roman legions during war, these powerful dogs can be a powerful threat in the wrong hands. Rottweilers are fiercely loyal and often choose one person in a household to protect. This can lead to resource guarding, territorial behavior, and extreme aggression. Number 4, the Corso. The Corso is a breed of Mastiff and descendants of Malassian war dogs of ancient Rome. Originally bred in Italy as a farm dog and livestock guardian, these powerful dogs need a firm hand and strict training. Weighing in at over 100 pounds, this animal can quickly become aggressive, territorial, and extremely dangerous. Number 3, the Dalmatian. Dalmatians saw a massive surge in popularity in the 1980s and 1990s after the re-release of the Disney film 101 Dalmatians. Originally bred for hunting, retrieving, vermin control, and carriage guarding, these dogs are intelligent with an extremely high prey drive, making them potentially unsafe for homes with small critters or children. Their endless energy and prey drive can often lead to neglect and undesirable behavior, like jumping, biting, and even killing small animals. Number 2, the Siberian Husky. Huskies are one of the most abandoned dog breeds in the world, filling shelters and roaming the streets. Originally bred in frigid Siberia, their primary jobs were pulling sleds and companionship in below-freezing temperatures. As an extremely intelligent and yet aloof dog breed, these animals can be very stubborn and difficult to keep entertained, resulting in destructive and aggressive behavior. They are also prone to severe separation anxiety. Number 1, the Border Collie. Originally bred for herding livestock, Border Collies have endless levels of energy and need hours of hard training per day to keep them mentally and physically stimulated. They are extremely intelligent and independent, so you need to keep them entertained to prevent unwanted or harmful activities like chewing, digging, and nipping.